How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I want to quickly show you guys the pricing plans for ExpressVPN. Now, it is a little bit more expensive for sure than your typical VPN pricing plans, but it is for good reason, and I'll get into it in a little bit. So the 1 month plan goes for $12.95 a month, the 6 month plan for $9.99 a month, and the 12-month plan for $8.32 a month. So it is a little bit more expensive, but do note that you do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So even if you go for the long-term plans, and let's say you get billed, if you buy the 6-month plan, you're going to get billed $60 right away or $100 right away for the 12-month plan. You could still get all of that back within the first 30 days of using that service. So let's say on your 29th or 30th day, you're not satisfied and you want to get all that money back, they will process it to you within 2 to 4 days. You can just talk to their live chat support and they'll process it right away. It really is a hassle-free money-back guarantee. Now, if you want to save a little bit more cash, be sure to check the description below. Once you click that link, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. So from 35%, you'll be saving 49%, and you'll click to claim the exclusive deal. And yeah, you'll definitely get a little bit. You're still paying $100 for the 12-month plan, but you're getting 3 extra months. So instead of 12 months, you'll be getting 15 months. So definitely is, it's worth a little bit of cash that you're saving and the extra 3 months that you're getting. So if you're interested, you'll find the links in the description down below. And if you're wondering why Express is priced a little bit more than your usual VPNs, Express is made so that it's as easy as possible to use. It's as simple as a on and off button. It's very simple. It's got very, very good reliability and efficiency when it comes to streaming content and unblocking geo restrictions. It supports peer-to-peer, and the speeds, most of all, are super, super consistent, even with servers that are much farther away from you. So usually with other VPNs, you might get really good speeds, even possibly higher than ExpressVPN. For example, in NordVPN's case, you'll get really good speeds with, let's say if you're around Europe, you'll get really good European speeds. But then if you move to the States or to the East or all the way down to, let's say Brazil or something, you're going to get less consistent speeds. Whereas ExpressVPN is very consistent no matter where you connect. So that's really cool. And obviously it's super safe. It's one of the safest ExpressVPN. It's one of the safest VPNs, in the market. And if you want to get into it, kind of an in-depth review, you'll find that in the description down below as well, alongside the discount that I just talked about. So that'll be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.